Hello, welcome to another boat tour. I'm Craig the captain, and today I'm going to be taking you around the 40LUX from SilverCAT. So starting off in the cockpit area of this beautiful 40LUX. It's available in both inboard and outboard engines. Today I'm going to be showing you around the inboard version. This boat's fitted with two Volvo 440 horsepower engines. So let's have a look in this area. First of all, we have a storage seat box here. Underneath me, ice box. And then we have access down into the engine room. Now the team at SilverCAT have very cleverly thought about the captain and the owner of this boat to make sure that they have easy maintenance for their engines. So what they've designed is one small engine room hatch. This is for the simple daily checks on the engine. And then they have the large hatch, which has the hinges and the gas ram, so that you can jump down there if there's any maintenance that needs to be done, changing filters, etc., as part of the regular maintenance of the boat. So on the transom area here, first of all, we have this lovely seat so I can sit with my friends, cast out my rods and be fishing from the transom, or it flips into the dining area. There's other room to add some extra seating as well. You could probably sit 6 to 8 people around this table quite comfortably. Here we have the safety railing made of teak with acrylic, and this is the access down into the water with a stainless steel ladder. So above me here in the cockpit area, first of all, we've got stainless steel rod holders. Then you have the spotlights, speakers, and these panels are openable for easy access into the canopy above. Behind me, we have our barbecue top, complete with a sink, and there's some space here in case you need to be cutting your food. Below this, we have storage cabinets and the manual bilge pump. So moving up forward, first of all, above my head is an outrigger. Then we have the engine room ventilation. The SilverCAT team have been building boats in the Middle East and in hot climates. So their engineering and design team know how to keep those engines cool. So they put a lot of emphasis on ventilation of both the generator and the engines themselves. And this protects the life of the engine. So moving up forward, we have first of all a good height here. So if you have pets on board, you don't have to worry about them. They're very well protected on the boat. Freshwater filler, diesel filler, cleats. You have ventilation windows to the cabin area and to the driver's position. That's also very useful if you're maneuvering and you need to talk to your crew on the outside of the boat. Handrails here. Then we have a large storage space on both the port and starboard forward hull area. Now on this boat, they actually have a bathroom, which is very useful if you've been in and out of the water and you don't want to have to go into the interior. You can jump down and use this bathroom. Side access door, so it's easy for boarding. In the forward area, we have speakers. We have the wiper for the window. We have the searchlight above, air conditioning on the roof, and the navigation equipment. So in the forward area here, you got the anchor lockers on the port and starboard side. Plenty of space. Goes very deep into the hull. This is good to put your fenders, ropes, chains. Winch with also control from the helm position. and a nice comfortable seating area. Same as on the starboard side, you've got the same hatch on the port side, but this hatch is mostly open storage space. Let's have a look inside. You can see deep down inside, plenty of space, keeping your items in the boat. So as I pass back through the port side, we see a side opening door, which is very convenient for the captain to be able to give instructions to his crew whilst he's maneuvering and whilst he's parking. Let's go and have a look in the interior now. What a beautiful interior this is. So first of all, we have sofa seats on both the port and starboard side, overhead lockers, and on this side, the overhead locker comes with glass storageware, which keeps your items safe if you're rolling around in high seas. We have a coffee table here, and the coffee table has built-in storage. This again is all made in-house by the SilverCAT team. And this sofa pulls out to be a sofa bed. And this can be fitted on both port and starboard sides. So therefore this boat can sleep 2 guests. Okay, so here now we have the galley area on this 40LUX. We have the microwave here. We have a cooktop, sink under a Korean worktop, and a fridge unit which is big enough for a weekend's worth of supplies. Also, there's a first aid kit, fire blanket, and storage underneath the galley. Here we have a shelving cabinet and drawer unit. In the bathroom here, we have, first of all, it's very well designed. They're using Korean and engineered woods, which means they're easy to maintain, easy to clean. Using the Tecma toilet system. Above my head here, we have 2 air conditioning units, 12,000 BTU, and they're easy for maintenance from the exterior of the boat. And let's proceed up to the helm position, have a looking at the console, the equipment, and the control and throttle and performance of the boat. Here, this boat, as we discussed, is fitted with the inboard Volvo engines. We have a joystick control, which allows very easy parking, maneuverability into tight spaces. Throttle control. We've got a light switch here, which is independent for the wheelhouse. So if you're navigating at night and want to switch off this area of lights, it's possible. Above my head here, we have the music audio system. On top of the console, we have USB charging sockets, both USB and 12 volt. We've got the fuel tank gauges, water tank gauges, generator control, all the main switches, and the fire extinguisher alarm system is here, so it's visible for the captain to see as he's navigating. We have the VHF and the searchlight control, anchor winch, horn, wipers, all the necessary items for navigating this size of boat. So some dimensions about this boat. The boat is 12 meters long, it's 4.1 meters beam. The weight complete with the engines, is 8.5 tons. This boat is made of resin infusion. The whole deck and cabin, everything is resin infused by the team using the highest marine grade chemicals, resins. So again, just to remind you, this 40LUX from SilverCAT comes complete with either inboard or outboard engines. This boat that I've shown you today is with the Volvo 440 horsepower inboard engines. They also have the outboard version, and they fitted that with 4 400s, 4 300s, or 425s, 2 engines. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Please like or subscribe to Craig the Captain and SilverCAT Boats. You can check their website, www.silvercatboats.com. You can follow them on social media. Until next time, happy sailing and stay safe.